Hi there, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Commodore here to share another book with you. I really wanted to share this book because it's all about feelings and emotions. And I know right now, with everything that is going on in our country and around the world, we all might be experiencing different feelings and at different times. I know that I am. So, I wanted to share this story to just talk a little bit about the feelings that you may be experiencing. And as I'm reading, think about how you are feeling right now, or maybe how you felt yesterday or the day before. And notice how some of your feelings may change from day to day. The Way I Feel by Janin Kane. Silly. Silly is the way I feel when I make a funny face and wear a goofy poofy hat that takes up lots of space. Silly. Scared. I'm shaking because I'm scared. All alone in the dark at night, the thunder and lightning crash and roar. Hold me close and turn on the light. Scared. Scared. The plans were made so long ago for you to visit me today, but now you can't come after all. I'm disappointed. We can't play. Disappointed. Disappointed I can't see you today. The smile you see upon my face as the sun shines in the sky shows the world that I feel happy and my mood is soaring high. Happy. Sometimes I feel so very sad and really don't know why. Instead of playing and having fun, I cry and cry and cry. Sad. Some days are like that, right? Angry. Angry is how I feel right now. I shout with a mighty roar. I mostly want to frown and growl and stomp upon the floor. Thankful. The wheel fell off my brand new truck. I needed some help from you. You kindly fixed my favorite toy. I'm thankful for all you do. Thankful. Frustrated. I'm frustrated because I can't do it. It's hard and I want to cry. I don't know whether to give it up or to give it another try. Frustrated. We should tell her to give it another try, right? If someone says hello to me, I suddenly feel so shy. Instead of waving back at them, I hide my face and walk by. Shy. I can't make up my mind. There's nothing I want to do. The day drags on and on. I'm feeling bored and blue. Bored. I'm bouncing like a rubber ball. I'm more excited than I can say. It's really hard for me to sit when I'd rather jump and play. Excited. Jealous. I want to play with you right now. I don't think taking turns is fair. I'd rather have you to myself. I'm jealous when I have to share. Have you ever felt jealous and didn't want to share your time? Proud. I did it! I did it! I shout to the crowd. Getting dressed by myself makes me feel proud. When was the last time you felt proud? Feelings come and feelings go. I never know what they'll be. Silly, angry, happy, or sad, they're all a part of me. So, boys and girls, thank you so much for listening. I want you to pay special close attention to how you are feeling from day to day and see what you can do to turn that day around. But always know that feelings are human and they happen to everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this story and I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya!